Welcome everyone to today's video. This is a basic grammar lesson, and today we're going to be learning the sounds for AR, OR, and ORE. So first, let's review some of the sounds we've learned in previous lessons. So go ahead and sound these out on your own, and then restart to hear to check your answers.
Ch, j, ild, old, eind, ol, ost, ol.
All right, now listen, write down the sounds in the order that you hear them, and then I'll play it again and fill in the correct answers.
Ol, eind, j, ch, old, ost, ild, ol, ol, eind, j, ch, old, ost, ild, ol.
All right, now practice sounding out these words, and when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
Uh, d, ol, puddle, b, a, b, e, baby, s, k, I, sky, k, a, n, d, e, candy, a, n, d, o, handle, w, I, y.
All right, now we're going to listen and repeat to the R, R sound. So listen and then repeat.
Er, 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 run,
And now we're going to look at the AR together, and you notice the A sound looks just a little bit different when you add the R to it. So let's listen and repeat.
a, 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 cat, r, 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 cart,
Now look at these words and using the AR in different places in the word.
r, m, arm, r, t, part, s, t, r, star.
Now practice sounding out these words, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
R, d, hard, art, art, are, far, ch, are, t, chart, k, are, car, s, are, t, smart,
All right, now we're going to listen to the OR. So listen and repeat.
ah, 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 pot, or, 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 port,
Now the ORE. So listen and repeat.
o, 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 mo, or, 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 more,
And now we'll practice the OR in different positions in the word.
or, b, orb, k, or, d, cord, or, more,
Right, now practice sounding out these words. And then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
t, or, n, torn, f, or, form, s, k, or, score, f, or, for, b, or, bore, f, or, s, force, b, f, or, before, s, t, or, storm, s, or, t, s, sports, are, k, park, n, or, th, north, s, t, are, star, f, are, farm, ch, or, z, chores, or, more, d, are, k, dark. S, n, or, snore. S, t, r, t, s, starts.
Now listen and write down the words you hear, and then I'll play it a second time and fill in the correct answers for you to check.
More, north, dark, storm, star, chores, more, north, dark, storm, star, chores.
All right, now let's review the sight words. So read them on your own and then restart the video to listen and check.
You, was, your, wants, says, to, above.
Now practice reading these sentences.
Before the storm, the sports park was full of happy kids running. The North Star shines far above the farm. It is a nice morning and Norm wants to go to the park. In the backyard, his dog Bart starts to bark. He wants to go too. Before you can go, you must do your chores, says Mom. Norm and Bart do chores, chores, and more chores. But now it is dark and Norm starts to snore.
All right, now practice reading the entire story again, and then you can restart the video to listen and check.
It is a nice morning and Norm wants to go to the park. In the backyard, his dog Bart starts to bark. He wants to go too. Before you can go, you must do your chores, says Mom. Norm and Bart do chores, chores, and more chores. But now it is dark, and Norm starts to snore.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.